I'm gonna open up Jumbo Elite Pack. 20 items, but at least 11 80 plus overall, 80 plus overall players. So I'll have 11 of them. Let's see what I get. Evgeny Dadonov. Ooh, I think he just recently signed with a new team. I think Ottawa just signed him. Yeah, 83 skating, 84 shot, 85 hands. 85 hands is pretty good. David Perron. Overall good player. Dallas Stars. Team Finland. Alexander Georgiev is a goalie. Nice. Ilya Mikheyev. Yeah, decent. I wonder what's my best player. Nice, Alexander Edler. I like this player, especially a couple of years back. Some nice size, good checking, good overall player. Change jersey number. Ooh, Mark Giordano. I think that's gonna be my best player. 86 defense, so overall very good defensive player. Captain of the Calgary Flames. Ilya Kovalchuk. Damn. He was with Montreal last year, and now he's with the Capitals. I don't know if he signed a new team or not. I don't think so. But 87 shot. Decent. Very good shot. Good hands, too. I think... I don't know if I'm going to get... Ooh, Brady Tkachuk. Nice. I like this player. Very feisty. He's a great player for the Senators. Zach Smith, grindy player. I think it's going to be... Oh, sorry, I skipped that one. Jonas Donskoy. Overall, good right winger. And Wayne Simmons. I don't know which team he signed with recently. Maybe he's still on a free agency. But a very good player. I like his stats. Checking defensively, all that. So that's going to be it. I think my best player has to be Mark Giordano. Thing with that defense. Yeah. Probably him or one of these two guys. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.